up, everybody? I'm back with another vlog. Hey guys, I know I haven't been uploading. Been really busy. To be honest, I've been just lazy.
Boy, if you don't get.
But anyways, I'm on my way to school. I'm all dressed up and stuff. My birthday was like 2 days ago, so I'm gonna be going out today with my friends. Let's see what they have in store for me. Yeah, as you can see, it's kind of oh, you can't see because of the sun. God damn it. Anyways, it's pretty sunny, pretty good day. Car's telling me it's 44 degrees. I'm gonna let this guy go right here.
12 seconds later.
I believe I can fly. I believe.
Mr. BJ.
BJ Das, and this is extreme bowling.
What's up, everybody? Celebrating my birthday.
Mickey, you're out for the next round. Alright, ready, Sujay?
This one's for you guys.
Got
I saw it. God damn it. Yeah.
Are you what? Is it?
Yeah.
Oh. Ready, Sujay?
Yep.
Yeah.
Yay! He got a strike.
No, I didn't.
He did.
What's up, bro? How you feeling, man?
Yo, bro, what you up to, man?
What's your name, bro?
Nadeem.
What you doing out here?
You know, just chilling.
You got anything to shout out?
Enjoying my friend's birthday.
Who's your friend?
Bowling. No, I'm not.
Yeah, you did.
I have higher than you.
Two.
But my score's higher than you.
But you got 2 gutter balls.
What's up, bro? What's your name, man?
The real Joy? Shit. I put the joy in Sujoy. Shit.
Not fair.
What's your name, girl?
See money.
She's gonna be making a business, guys. She does brows. Like, look at them. Yeah. Just look at them. Come on.
Come on, Joy.
Hey, who you is?
Come on, Joy.
Okay, okay. What's your name?
She's gonna do good.
What's your
My
name?
name is. I don't know.
Unbelievable.
Hilda. What the fuck?
I gotta take my head. I'm bald.
Yo! Everybody, we are starting a GoFund. We are starting a GoFund.
Go fund me for this haircut.
Why are you laughing? What's your brows?
Here's our little brother that we had to bring today with us because there was nobody home watching. How do you feel? You're related to me now.
No. There's the big brother.
This is our bounty hunter. he was that guy that's on the brownie paper towel. That's what he was.
But you know, we out here.
Yeah, we chilling. Bowling. Teams picking up W's. You know.
What's the score?
Hey, point the camera at them.
Yeah, we don't mess with them when the losing team. Yeah.
Happy birthday to
We got our own lighting system.
Ready? Smile. Smile.
Wait, where do I look?
At the Polaroid.
Yo, this is so cheesy.
Okay, can I feed you? Can you take a picture on my phone?
Oh shit. Hey, hey. Someone stop this man.
Alright guys, that wraps up the vlog. I'm going home right now. I want to thank you to my friends. They did it really big this year. But yeah, I love them so much. If you guys are watching this, I love you guys. But yeah, I'm going home right now. Listening to some Lomatic, some throwback. But yeah, today was a fun day. Did a car meet, birthday party, you know, all the good stuff. See you guys on the next vlog. Hope you guys enjoyed it. Make sure you subscribe, like this video if you guys enjoyed it. See you guys.